Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I am Vruti Thakkar and I create content on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So for today's video, this is going to be my first time doing it, but I always love watching monthly favorites. So this is going to be our March favorites video. So basically I'm going to break down all my monthly favorites into categories. So without further ado, let's just get started with today's video. So there's this trend going on all over Instagram named Everything Shower Routine, and I've curated some of the products that I've come to love, and I don't want to gatekeep you guys. So here's my favorite things that I use in my Everything Shower routine. So guys, I recently bought this from Nykaa. So this is the Dove's exfoliating body polish, pomegranate seeds and shea butter body scrub basically. And oh my god guys, it smells divine. And it just doesn't smell divine, but it works wonderfully. It literally polishes your skin, removes all the gunk, removes all the strawberry kind of skin, and it also helps me with the pigmentation, which is amazing. But all in all, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा because it smells so divine. Yeah, like you will come out of the shower smelling so divine and so expensive and bougie, but under a budget. ये कुछ I think 550 या 600 का retail करता है. And my sister tells me that हमें discount में 300 में पड़ा है. So guys, look out for Nykaa discounts. They're amazing. Oh my god, it smells exactly, and it looks and smells like strawberry milkshake for some reason, and I'm all in for it. So this I would rate a solid 10 out of 10. Next product is going to be this M Caffeine's body wash. I believe that it is like the new range. It is the M Caffeine's brightening raspberry rush body wash. Now it is a little sweet for my liking, but the thing that I like about it is that they claim that it will brighten your skin. And oh my god, I was literally shook when I used it. मतलब आज मेरा second day है use करते हुए, and if I have a clip, I'm gonna show you my before skin, but this is what my skin looks like basically. So my hands have gotten tan in the recent few years. I don't know, for some reason, but become so tan, and I was like on a lookout for products जो अच्छे से work कर सके, especially for removing the tan. And it claims that it is skin brightening, which has raspberry and 5% glycerin. I think glycerin seems to work really well for me. एंड ये लोग क्लेम करते हैं कि एक ही वॉश में आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क दिखेगा. एंड द क्लेम्स आर करेक्ट गाइज. यू नीड टू हैव दिस प्रोडक्ट इफ़ यू आर like suffering from body tan just like me, and I am not hyping it. मुझे ये पेड वेड कुछ नहीं आया है, but it is genuinely a really nice product. It retails for 399, but obviously इस पे भी कुछ ना कुछ डिस्काउंट आपको कोई ना कोई वेबसाइट पे मिल जाएगा. Now at this point you guys must know that I love good smelling products. This is one such product. This is the Plum Body Love-In Vanilla Caramello Body Lotion with Cocoa Butter. Oh my god, you guys, it is the exact dupe of Sol de Janeiro's Boom Boom Cream. It is so vanilla-y. It is so like nice. एकदम coco, vanilla, coconutty ऐसा बहुत अच्छा scent आता है. And I like pairing up with my Sol de Janeiro's mist. But basically this is such a cheap product. This is for 475 rupees for 400 ml, which is a steal guys. मतलब इसका सिर्फ स्मेल ही अच्छा नहीं है, बट एप्लीकेशन एंड एवरीथिंग इज सो नाइस बिकॉज माई स्किन इज सुपर ड्राई एंड आई ऑलवेज नीड अ मॉइस्चराइजिंग लोशन. इवन ऑन समर्स आई नीड अ मॉइस्चराइजिंग लोशन because that's how dry my skin is. My entire body is like has such bad dry skin, but this seems to work really well for me. શું કરે છે તું? ये छोटे भाई बहन है ना, फिर पता बोलते हैं कि वायलेंस क्यों होता है इनके अगेंस्ट. ठीक है, कम ऑन. दिस इज ऑल्सो this is also 100% vegan. You again need to have this product. This is such a life changing product, especially if you love smelling good. This is the product for you. So last item in my body care or skincare, whatever you wanna call it, is this Body Shop's Vitamin E eye cream. So I've not been sleeping well lately and I have developed a lot of dark circles basically. This seems to help in depuffing and reducing the dark circles or reducing the appearance of dark circles to some extent, at least that is what I like to think. But this is genuinely a really nice product. I got it in a gift but मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. ये थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव है. इट रिटेल्स फॉर 995 रुपीज़ एंड द क्वांटिटी इज ऑल्सो 15 ml. बट आई थिंक यू कैन गिव इट अ ट्राई. आई रियली लाइक्ड इट एंड एज यू कैन सी आई एम about to finish it. So that was it for my body. We will move to next category, which is makeup. So I don't seem to apply a lot of makeup, so I have only 2 recommendations for this month, but these are like such amazing products and I am obsessed with lip care and lip tints, lip balms, everything. So these are the 2 products. I'm gonna start up with the Mars one. So this is the Mars Candylicious Lip Gloss in the variant Cherry Cola. If you've been following Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, you must know कि ये Cherry Cola बहुत ही ज़्यादा trend कर रहा है. Like every girl is almost applying or having cherry cola lips, so I was like, I also need to try it out. And oh my god, look at the packaging. It's so cute and it is like, it looks so bougie and expensive. And can you guess the price? It is for just 249 rupees. I तो love it and इसका application भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. The applicator is good, but most importantly I love the shade. Can you see the difference? I'm gonna apply everything and come back. This is what it looks like. It smells good, it tastes good, and I love this lip oil basically. I seem to love all Mars products, so I am not surprised that this has also turned out to be good. I don't understand कि इनका products इतना affordable yet it is like so up in their game. इनके पास सब trendy products होता है. I don't know how they achieve to do it, but Mars, you are doing a good job and please keep doing it so that we girlies can afford the products and achieve the Pinteresty looks that we do and also look expensive on a budget, which is just amazing, you guys. This product is by DM Beauty. It is the glass tint balm. Look at it. It looks so bougie, right? I think it retails around 900 rupees and it is in the shade Black Onyx. And I don't know why, for some reason. I'll just apply it and come back. Look at the application, guys. It looks so like glass tinted. That is what it basically is. I'll just show you the quantity. काफ़ी अच्छा क्वांटिटी है गाइस. सो गाइस दिस इज डेफिनेटली क्वांटिटी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है फॉर द प्राइस, बट बेसिकली इट लुक्स सो प्रिटी. आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड विद इट. मुझे दिस हैज़ टू बी लाइक माई सेकेंड फेवरेट थिंग आउट ऑफ द हॉल. I've seen so many girls obsessing over DM Beauty and it was in my wish list for a long time, but I finally just gave in and I thought I should have it in my makeup collection, which is like so small. Love the product. I'll give it a solid 9.5 out of 10. So guys, that was it for my makeup. We'll move to our next category, which is also related to smelling. It's perfumes. And this has if you might have seen my Nykaa haul, you might know the story. This perfume was basically in my wish list for 2 years and it is such an expensive product कि मेरे लिए it was a big decision that whether I should buy it or not. So basically I gave in and I finally purchased the product and I don't regret it. मैंने अभी तक 2-3 बार लगाया होगा and every time I've gotten compliments out of this product and I am so obviously obsessed with this product. So I'm not gonna create more suspense and just show you guys the product. Look at it. I am obsessed with it. I don't know why the little girl in me feels so happy whenever I see this product. So मैंने फर्स्ट सबसे छोटे साइज से ही स्टार्ट किया परचेज करना. इफ़ आई लाइक इट एंड इफ़ आई फाइंड इट वर्दी, मैं और परचेज करूँगी बड़े प्राइस में. ओ बाय द वे, आई डिडंट टेल यू द नेम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. इट इज़ द लैनकॉम पेरिस ला वी एस बेल. लुक एट द पैकेजिंग. This is my favorite product out of this entire video. No matter how expensive this is, you need to have this in your life. I definitely, most definitely urge you to buy this product. It is so good, you won't regret it, and I am so sure that you're gonna come back in this video and thank me. I can't stop myself, so I'm just gonna apply it. दिस इज सच अ गुड प्रोडक्ट यू गाइज. ये पूरा ही मतलब 2 स्प्रिट्स किया ना, पूरे दिन चलने वाला है. एंड ये पूरा रूम में भी ये स्मेल आ जाता है. इट इज़ सो like long lasting, prominent, but not strong. It is not strong in the sense that it will give you a headache, but it is strong in the sense that it will just make the entire rooms smell of it. Oh my god, guys, you know at this point how much I am obsessed with it. But खरीद लो guys, और कुछ भी नहीं बोलना मुझे. I'm gonna keep smelling this all day because that's how obsessed I am. So leaving my obsession behind, we're gonna continue with the other products and we'll continue with the video. We'll move forward. We'll quickly move on to accessories. Now I just have 2 accessories. So for accessories, basically I have this bow clip in this cute baby pink color. I am obsessed. I think मेरी बहन ने ये ट्रेन से लिया था. क्या ली तू? मेरी बहन ने ये ट्रेन से लिया था. कितना नो? ये 20 रुपए का है. Can you believe it? I am obsessed. It looks so Pinterest coded. It is coquette, pink. It is all the girly things that it should rightly be. I am obsessed. मैं इतनी ऑब्सेस्ड हूँ कि मैं मेरी बहन से ज़्यादा ये यूज़ कर रही हूँ. ये मुझे नहीं पहनने देती, बट मैं उसको बिना बोले पहन के चली जाती हूँ. दैट्स हाउ ऑब्सेस्ड आई एम. बट कैन यू जस्ट टेल इट इज़ जस्ट फॉर like 20 rupees. So it is like so easy to make me happy. Now you know. Next item in this category is this bag. Oh my god, it looks so classy. I got it from West Side. I'll just wear it. मुझे ये ऐसा बैंगल शेप का ना बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. It looks very clean, very minimal, very like clean girl aesthetic it gives. And ये western Indian दोनों के साथ जाता है, which is a steel. It is in this beautiful brown color. And it is like फॉल में भी चला जाएगा, समर में भी चला जाएगा. बहुत ही ज़्यादा मल्टीपर्पज़ बैग है. एंड इसका स्टोरेज भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. लाइक वन, इसके अंदर यू कैन कीप योर कार्ड्स और मनी. ये मिडिल कंपार्टमेंट एंड वन मोर कंपार्टमेंट. So it is like spacious also for a shoulder bag, which I think I got it from West Side a year back. I think it retailed for 1500 rupees, but it is such a steal. And the thing that I like about West Side is unka durability. All the products are so long lasting, which I love. And I've seen the recent bag collection also. You should really check it out because of the quality and the price. I'm telling you कि बहुत सारा new collection में उनका होगा. So ये बैग तो डेफिनेटली नहीं होने वाला बिकॉज मैंने 2023 एंड में लिया था. बट यू माइट फाइंड सिमिलर वंस और even in other styles, but really good bags. So you should really check out West Side for that. So that was it for our accessories category. We'll move on to our next category, which is home decor. Again, I just have 2 items which I steal from my sister. She got it in a gift, but it's basically her things are my things are her things. So I'm gonna show you guys. First up is this cute mug. If you can't tell already, I am obsessed with bow. It looks so Pinteresty, so coquette coded. एंड ये मग है बट हम इसको डेकोर की तरह यूज़ करते हैं. बो. सो दिस इज़ फ्रॉम अमेजोन. आई एम गोना ट्राई एंड फाइंड इट एंड लिंक इट डाउन बिलो. डू आई इवन नीड टू से इट्स बो, इट्स पिंक, आई लाइक इट. इट्स फ्रॉम हैप्पी प्लेस. It is so pretty. I'm just gonna link this product below for you guys. I think it's all over. It has an Instagram page also, but it does have a website. And the good thing about this is that it is made in India, guys. Like, it's so pretty. This is a decor piece. This is like a coaster, but again, we don't have the heart to spoil it by using it as a coaster. So it's just a decor piece for us. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did like it, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I'm very much active on Instagram, and if you'd really like some fashion recommendations or fashion content, you can definitely follow me there as well. I'll see you next time.